Are you fascinated by female cats and eager to learn more about them? In this video, we'll explore 10 intriguing facts about female cats, covering both their physical characteristics and distinctive personality traits. The final fact, number 10, is particularly surprising, so be sure to watch until the end. Whether you already have a female cat or are thinking about adopting one, this information will help you understand them better. Let's dive into the first fascinating fact. 1. They tend to be right-pawed. Did you know that most female cats favor their right paw for daily tasks? Studies suggest that female cats are more likely to be right-pawed, while male cats tend to use their left. Although the exact reason for this preference remains unclear, it's a curious trait observed in many felines. The reason behind a female cat's preference for using her right paw remains a mystery. However, research has shown that they are significantly more likely to be right-pawed compared to males. In fact, studies estimate that nearly 60% of female cats favor their right paw. This is an interesting trait to be aware of, as it may influence how they interact with their environment. A single litter of kittens can have multiple fathers, thanks to a fascinating biological process known as superfecundation. This occurs when a female cat mates with multiple males during her fertile cycle, allowing different eggs to be fertilized by different fathers. Interestingly, this phenomenon isn't unique to cats. It also happens in species like dogs and cows. As a result, kittens from the same litter can vary significantly in color, size, and other traits, reflecting their diverse parentage. Determining whether a litter of kittens has multiple fathers can be quite challenging, adding an element of mystery to feline genetics. This fascinating aspect of cat reproduction highlights the complexity of the animal world. By the way, if you're enjoying this content and haven't subscribed yet, consider joining our community. Like the video, leave a comment if you have a female cat or are thinking about adopting one. I love reading your thoughts, and your support means a lot. Thank you. 2. Female cats tend to live longer. One fascinating fact about female cats is that they typically outlive their male counterparts. This difference in life expectancy is largely influenced by both biology and behavior. One key factor is testosterone, which plays a significant role in male cats' tendency toward territorial aggression. Males are more likely to engage in fights with other cats, increasing their risk of serious injuries and exposure to infections or diseases transmitted through wounds. In contrast, female cats are generally less confrontational, which contributes to their longer, healthier lives. 3. Female cats and their lower risk behavior. Unlike their male counterparts, female cats are generally more peaceful and less likely to engage in territorial disputes. As a result, they face fewer risks of injury and the diseases that often spread through aggressive encounters. Additionally, their lower testosterone levels may contribute to a reduced likelihood of certain hormone-related illnesses, including some forms of cancer. However, while female cats tend to live longer, this doesn't mean they're free from health concerns. Proper care, regular veterinary checkups, and a healthy lifestyle are essential for ensuring their well-being, ensuring a long and healthy life. To help your female cat live a long and healthy life, it's essential to provide proper care. This includes regular veterinary checkups, a nutritious diet, plenty of exercise, and a safe, engaging environment. 4. Unspayed cats have shorter lifespans. Female cats that aren't spayed tend to have shorter lifespans. Studies suggest that spayed cats live, on average, 39% longer than their unspayed counterparts. Unspayed females are at a higher risk of pregnancy-related complications and reproductive diseases, including ovarian and uterine cancer. To protect your cat's long-term health, it's advisable to consult your veterinarian about the spaying process. 5. Female cats take longer to get adopted. Surprisingly, female cats often spend more time in shelters before finding a home. Compared to males, they tend to be adopted less quickly, making them a less popular choice among potential pet owners. Female cats often take longer to be adopted, possibly due to concerns about pregnancy or misconceptions that males are more affectionate. However, female cats can be just as loving, loyal, and playful as their male counterparts. If you have the chance to adopt one, don't hesitate. These wonderful companions can bring endless joy to any home. Additionally, choosing adoption over purchasing a pet helps reduce animal abandonment and gives a cat in need a second chance at a happy life. 6. The strong hunting instinct and maternal care of female cats. The dual nature of female cats, hunters and nurturers. Female cats have inherited a keen hunting instinct from their wild ancestors. Beyond hunting for themselves, they also showcase remarkable maternal care by bringing food to their kittens. It's fascinating to watch them teach their young the essential hunting skills needed for survival, highlighting the deep connection between their predatory nature and nurturing roles. 7. The mysteries of heat cycles and reproductive behavior. The heat cycle of female cats is a captivating aspect of their biology. During this period, they may display a variety of behaviors, including loud vocalizations and increased restlessness. Gaining insight into this reproductive cycle helps us understand our feline companions better and allows us to provide the proper care they need during these times. 8. The genetics behind calico and tortoiseshell cats. Have you ever noticed that calico and tortoiseshell cats are almost always female? These stunning felines are known for their beautifully unique fur patterns, displaying a vibrant mix of colors that make each one truly one of a kind. What many people don't realize is that this striking coloration is directly tied to feline genetics. The genes responsible for calico and tortoiseshell coats are linked to the X chromosome, and because female cats have two X chromosomes, they can express this multicolored trait. This intricate genetic process takes place during fetal development, making each tricolored cat a natural masterpiece with a completely distinct pattern. If you're lucky enough to have a calico or tortoiseshell cat, you're sharing your home with a true gem of nature. These cats are not only visually stunning, but their unique coloration is the result of a fascinating genetic process. Their beauty is deeper than what you see at first glance, reflecting the complexity of feline genetic inheritance. 9. Female cats can have their first litter at just 4 months. Did you know that female cats can become mothers as early as 4 months old? This early reproductive ability is both impressive and concerning for cat owners. Imagine your kitten, still a baby herself, is already capable of having kittens. This emphasizes the importance of understanding feline reproductive cycles. If your cat has outdoor access or interacts with unneutered males, the risk of an unintended pregnancy increases. This is why spaying is crucial, not only to prevent unwanted litters, but also to protect your cat's health. It's also important to note that female cats usually experience their first heat cycle around 4 months of age. Preparing for a healthy, problem-free life. It's essential to be prepared early on to ensure your kitten grows into a healthy adult and avoids reproductive-related issues. Taking preventive measures can help provide your cat with a long and problem-free life. 10. Female cats can have up to 19 kittens in one litter. Female cats have impressive reproductive potential, sometimes producing remarkably large litters. One exceptional case occurred in 1960, when a mixed-breed Burmese-Siamese cat gave birth to 19 kittens. While such a large litter is rare, it's important to recognize the possibility when allowing a cat to breed. Managing a large litter presents its own set of challenges, from making sure the mother has enough resources to nourish all her kittens to closely monitoring the health and development of each one. Every kitten requires attention, and it's vital to consider the impact of a large litter on the mother's well-being. Ensuring she has the proper care to recover after birth and provide for her kittens is crucial for their health and survival. Supporting and caring for a mother cat during this time is essential to ensure her comfort and well-being. Understanding this aspect of a cat's life gives us a deeper insight into the fascinating world of these incredible animals. I'm also considering making a video focusing entirely on male cats. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you'd be interested. Now, switching topics, do you know how to recognize when a cat is showing affection? In the video linked on the screen, I'll teach you how to interpret the subtle signs of feline love. Click on the screen to continue exploring the amazing world of cats with me.